Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company, and my topic for today is analysis on an order for the maintenance of wives, children, and the parents under the code of criminal procedure. In today's legally advanced society, every human being has a right to enjoy his or her rights purely on the grounds of being human being, which is provided by the rule of the law. At the very outset, the right of any human being is based on the mankind's increasing demand for the civilized society. Despite the presence of many rights and laws to be suffered, many hardships to women, wives, children, or elderly peoples are most affected by this. As per this, Section 125 has an object. Then, object of Section 125 states that the procedure under this section is not an punishing in nature. The motive isn't to be rebuff an individual or disregard to keep up those whom he will undoubtedly keep up, however to upholding the obligations by the method of strategy to give an expedient solution for an individual who are in trouble. This is a common agreement that it does not make any difference between people having a place with a various religion or stations and has no relationship with an individual laws of gathering. In Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shah Bano Begum, the Supreme Court held that the provision of Section 125 applies to all. The rights to decide wives or a minor claiming pre-resertions on this chapter and the treatment of furnished or essential civil rights. Then there are some preliminary targets, which is to be a forestall methods of techniques to give a rapid solution for the individual who are in torrent. The object of the provisions of being the prevent vigorously, and it has been found by us that what is really required by the wife is to maintain the wife of the life is neither the sumptuous or penurious, yet it is predictable with the status of the family. Thank you.